Hello HMTV viewers, this is Vinila, Digital Marketing Head, HMTV Digital. We have with us the founders of Tiny Twig, a very awesome organization that specializes in manufacturing baby clothing. So let's speak to him and know more. Sir, can you please tell the motto of your organization and your journey?
Yeah, Tiny Twig is a organic baby cotton clothing brand, and it is a very premium baby wear clothing in India. And Dr. Madhu Shiva can explain this better.
So ma'am, as we see right now, the organic word is being used explicitly everywhere. Yes. So people, they do have their own doubts. So can you let our audience know how you came upon the word organic and what your organization is into?
Yeah, I think organic is very loosely used, as you rightly mentioned. People get confused between natural and organic. So organic, when we say organic, it's a certified organic. It's like it's certified by a body called GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standards. What it means is like a cotton is grown without chemicals or any pesticides basically. So for a crop to be considered as organic, it has to undergo certain processing and auditing. Every year auditing will happen and the certificate is given. So we can proudly say we are the GOTS certified organic cotton brand, and people can be rest assured about it.
That's awesome to know, ma'am. And how's your journey been, and how do you see Hyderabad growing as a business center?
It's almost been like 12 years since I have been in this business, and we are only 3-year-old in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So it's like homecoming to us. Like we started the brand in Australia, but brought back to India because I'm actually an Indian, and then it comes from an Indian heart. So we won the world, and now we are homecoming.
So that's awesome, ma'am. So Tiny Twig, how do you see its expansion in India right now?
Drastic. Actually, the first 2 years we were trying to figure out whether we could be online or we should be into stores. A lot of confusion was there, and we burnt a lot of money. But eventually we realized like it is all about touch and feel, right? So Tiny Twig needs to be in stores, and now we just started a couple of months before, and we have been into almost like 15 stores all over India, into boutique stores in Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore, Kerala, Rajasthan, and of course Hyderabad is our hometown. And we are expecting to expand into 50 stores. Most importantly, we are into hospitals like Continental and Kim's Cuddles. Every baby born in these hospitals is gifted a Pure Start hamper by Tiny Twig. It's a co-branding done with the hospitals.
So that's awesome to know, ma'am. And also in Hyderabad, how do you see your presence evolving? Like you have said, you have tried online, you have tried offline and everything. So like to all these new mothers and new babies, so how do you feel you can connect more with your organization?
I feel Hyderabad has